Yo, Bar.
Yo, Lloyd.
What's happening?
I'm still happening.
Okay, so we are getting the race car ready for the coming season.
We are.
And can you give us a snapshot of how progress has been over the winter?
Bit slow. So over Christmas, New Year, we've been waiting on some parts arriving. We had a change of direction with the turbo, the manifold, the wastegate, the AR size, and we have now come hither, young fella. Moved on to this Walton engineering manifold that I'm fitting today. We need to do a bit of downpipe work, new wastegate going on, get the turbo mounted up. Yeah, so we're going to do this today and then start the car.
So it's work in progress, but this week we are working on turbo and new exhaust downpipe.
Once we've got the turbo and the exhaust dealt with, then we're going to start the car. I think we're at that stage now.
Right. Okay, well, exciting times. We're going to try and do a video a week on the run up to the start of the season, which is in March sometime. So we'll try and give little updates as to how we're getting on, because there's still quite a lot to do, but
yeah, we've got a few bits.